Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video on Vinny, the Vivaro. Now, just a quickie, if you'd like to support the channel, help us grow, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing. Only takes a few seconds below and is free. Anyway, back to the video. When I first got the van, the door speakers would sometimes work and then sometimes wouldn't work. So I have fixed it. It was a really easy one. I'll show you what I did. And then hopefully if you've got problems, you can sort it out. It's free, it doesn't cost anything and just takes a few minutes. Let's have a look. We're in the door shut. Obviously this is the door. This is the right hand side, driver's side in the UK. Now what I had was I had the radio playing and sometimes the speaker would work, and if I wiggled this it would sometimes then crackle and come back on and off again. And I actually took this plug out and I took all the wires out and that, because on old Volkswagens, quite often the wires split in here, and I thought, oh, it'll be that, but it wasn't. All it was this plug. So, just to check it, when you do, all you've got to do is pop this thing up, and it will start drawing this out, and then pop it all the way up. This bit, you wiggle it out, like that. It is a bit fiddly, but you can wiggle it out, and all I did, can you see the connections in there? All I did was sprayed electrical cleaner in there, and then put it back in. Like I say, a little bit fiddly. And I wiggled it about just to let the electrical do its work. Push that up and down a little bit. And then clipped it back in. And ever since I've done that, it's been fine. So that was a really cheap, easy fix. Hopefully you'll have the same problem and it'll just be a case of spraying some electrical cleaner in there, give it a good wiggle, get it back in, Bob's your uncle. Just got to be careful you do not bend the pins getting that plug in. It is a bit fiddly, so just take your time. Get plenty of light, you'll be fine. Right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this of some use. I hope you fix it. Please consider subscribing and give us a thumbs up, because that helps the channel grow, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers then! Welcome to another video. Oh, I've done that wrong. Let's try again. The problem I had with this is that I've buggered it up again.